Alright, welcome back, guys. Look, let me check if my screen. Let's check if the just confirm that the stream is loading. Seems like it's coming. Oh, it's live now. Okay. So welcome. I guess. Hello. So what I'm doing, well, I'm still working on the schedule page from yesterday. So I'm just picking up where I left off. And I realized that I didn't add these endpoints the front end API. So front end as an API method. And I said front end API, I said sounds different. I think they should call the active schedules. So it's gonna be I'm gonna put it in the you know what? I'm just gonna put it in the analytics endpoint and I need to update this to all to someone. I just like to ensure the endpoints actually reflect what they're doing. So it's like this. And I think we can down this get total active. I can know this is a huge long function name, but uh, maybe so I think it's one thing. All right. I think one of these is not. And I'm just checking and ensuring that these are working. And once I do that, I can start working front end to ensure that. Alright, so no errors. Okay. So this is correct because we have one thing that's active for. I can't show you now. There's one thing that's spilling. Uh, total execution today that is correct. Yeah, was no execution and active test count is accurate as well. Since there was active test count. So all the information there is accurate. Um, so what you know, I've been thinking about this for like a decent amount of time, right? As you can see, I did change in some little changes here. Uh, in this one enhancement that we need to add, the notification is that maybe I should make this like I should make this the notification settings and put it in settings, maybe under some kind of category. So I could just extract the screen notifications and just show actual notifications instead of having this, because having this here is not good, especially based on this. I just wanted to add it at the top, then below would have notifications. But I think, maybe I could add a hint to say configure notification. Person could click on that, and then it will carry them to settings. I can actually configure the notifications. But yeah, that's alright. So I'm on the schedule screen now. Alright. Um, I'm gonna go to V0. Right. It's not necessarily, maybe it can look like this, but it would be test suites instead of test, since we can't really see schedule test. We can see schedule um projects or students, test suites. But we can't schedule tests, right? I didn't implement that as a functionality. That can be an enhancement the next few years. Meaning, it's not a part of the MVP. But I do. I will be able to get this data. I will be able to get this data. Already. I think I already got this data. Uh, Maybe I could actually do it in one single query. So I'm not sure. Actually, can, but then I would have to change the, I think it's this one. No, it's actually the runs. Oh, and this is showing all your automated test schedules. Mm. Yeah, we just get all the projects and yeah, yeah, we just get all the projects and then send process data. I think I have something like that already. I'm not sure if I have an endpoint, but I don't know. I probably have something like that. Yeah, it's here in the project folder. Sure. Hmm. This is a problem with me, because if I put the projects here, right, then what would go on the, should I need to fix this thing. That's about for the next sprint. Hopefully, I can get rid of all of this. The goal was for me to finish up the schedule screen this week, but notification screen, I was stuck on it for a while. But here, so we have the test suites, right? That's a screen where people can go on to see the test suites. So I was saying, if I added the test suite, right, to the, if I added all of these to that screen, then to the schedule screen, then I would just repeating the same thing on scheduling the test screen, right? And here you would be able to go to the schedule test and, you know, do whatever you want, right? But there's a way to do it, but it's not aligned with how the application works, right? Because the way the application works is that, or currently, I don't think this screen might be out of, I mean, you should be able to configure schedules, but I mean, the schedule screen should be different, to be honest, because there you would be able to spawn the projects, you'll be able to edit projects, right? But here, maybe you won't have the ability to edit, but you will have the ability to pause or stop an execution. That would be a good thing, but the pause would be very hard to implement. Very articulate. I don't know how the pause would be something that I would have to really try to figure out. So that would be something that's what here you'll be able to see all the projects and they're started by the one that are running. So that's one could be started by the one that's running and the one that next run. So the more or maybe I could just add them and then you would have filters to get the most recent the next one to run are um the ones that are running stuff like that. Okay. So yeah, but that query is gonna be gonna be a problem. All right. So I think I have a decent idea. So we can show the projects, but we won't be able to edit them here. Just keep saying project, but I really mean test suites. You'll be able to see the test suites, but you won't be able to edit those test suites. Right? You could here, what you would be editing is a schedule. If I click on this, it would carry to your screen. We will be editing the schedule. It would carry to your screen. It would delete the schedule. So it's not necessarily a project. So I can have all of these. And maybe not a pause, but the edit, delete, and the option to stop an execution. Even the stop would be something that's hard to get because I mean maybe you could I don't know I would implement something like that. I mean you have to oh, there's one way to do it, you know, and one way to pause as well is because here's my lambda, right? This is a lambda execution. Um, one way to do that would be to say whenever you say pause, whenever you click pause, then it will update the projects table. Now, the project table is basically like test suites tables. I could add a column that said is paused, is stopped, right? And then each time it's about to run a test, maybe, yeah, it could pause a test. I see where it could also pause a test as well. It could pause test cases as well. Uh, but that's out of scope though. That's out of the scope because I'm just trying to get the screen in front of me. Alright. I think I'm gonna reuse one of these things. It's either like I'm gonna reuse this. I'm gonna reuse these or I'm thinking of not reusing these, right? And actually, let me show you. Reuse these ones. Right? I would still be able to make the background dark and change the outline text colors to make it be a bit more dark up. Also, for the project screen, whenever you go to a project, I was thinking of doing the same thing, right? So on a project screen, that's our test suite screen. You'd have a table, and not necessarily this nonsense where you're seeing a bunch of these things. So this is my current dashboard, and you can see all the tests, and you click on this, it carries to that test, and you can hear. Here is the only place you can add test cases, but these are not working. Uh, I wanted to add the analysis analytics tab. I removed it. You know what I think about it? I think it's actually still relevant because even though I have analytics here, right? If you go here, you have analytics, right? But this could be analytics for this specific project. Let's say you want to see what project analytics is like, you could see it here, or you can see the whole for all analytics. And you go to the to parts, just one, and okay, let's start implementing. I stop talking. Let's talk and more implementing. Okay. All right, so how are we gonna do this? Because all of these, I think, I'm gonna just double check right now. Let's go to network and shader. Oh, all these queries, I mean, they shouldn't take this long on a server because it's like some data, but I need to do a lot of data into different environments. Well, the environment is not even finished now. Man has yes, I had all return a single thing. There's no need to count anything. So what that means is that right get all I don't know that or get results. Alright, and then can do is results. Or maybe set results because it's better sense since I'm going to create some data. Um, I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna just do this. I like to do this, but it's not really that necessary. The total to test, and then I'm gonna set this to number, right? And then we have to next function today number, and then we have get total active schedule test, and then get the active test. Wait, I don't get these. Active test count, total active schedules. Oh, normal test runs. Total active schedules. Get total active tests. I'm just ensuring that these things make sense because I don't want to try to. I don't have good function loops, right? So once these spell out what they're actually doing, I think that's good. Makes it easier for an external, let's say, my startup gets traction, right? And I need to fix some kind of bug or add a feature, then someone who has never seen the code base before, if because I think if my startup reach to the point where I'm getting like $1 million in revenue, I will be able to hire. Mhm. I'll be able to hire people. Maybe for the case that I need, but I think I would need. But at least, so the next thing is total quality. Remember that, and the next thing is to add all of these here, here, zero, right? This is then, um, this is going to be tricky. Let's do this takes scrub that pieces. The and then been doing so much testing lately. Class equal class is equal to so class equal to better be flexible but and um I know I could make this being array and I added or pushed was and I would need a key. I could make it as just an object and then move through it. But since it's just three, I don't know exactly much. You know, there's no need for three rental. Uh, so let's just do this dot. This is what active shadows is equal to this. And I don't know if this is possible. I mean, I don't see types of foreign any errors. So that's a good connection. This called maybe it's because I'm creating prompts result. And this is you know this over to take the test, but then do that. Let's check out the next. Yeah. So all we need to do now is look at this and figure out what the hell does this thing need. With the thing is missing the wrong component. I should I should be using metric card, not version. So let's not use version. Thinking that we're into a different version. That's not going to use version. Yeah. I'm not version one. Let's see this metric card. Oh, because that's matrix card. This is metric card. Mm, I don't know. I still like it's, but it's life. You know, we all make mistakes. And we always say, we'll correct this. You know, so I use this one. Alright, so we take a title. And we take a description and a photo. Mm. So take title, description, title and description, title and description. Oh man, we got something. I, I really want it to be something like this. You know, I'm not looking to throw out uh, maybe what can I it's a type of serious code. Um, yeah, I want to see what it's called. Stacks bar. Okay. Can create the stuff. Uh, so I have to go here. But it's fine. That starts because I think yeah, it's bar. Yeah. So that's a single component. You can tell a bigger item of each meals. Very nice. Yeah. Mm, this just want to use TypeScript for this. So that TypeScript. I can say JavaScript, TypeScript, PHP, Vue, hopefully C Sharp, React, AWS, uh, a little bit of Python, little bit of Python. I don't know Python, but I don't know. Like I can write Python, and that I can have enough time to research, and have enough time to use AI. Mhm. Come here talking to myself, right? Fine, print, right. So then this starts bar. Hmm. What I make is, I don't, now that I think about it, I think I need a folder. Yes. So I would have stats bar, then bar, bar dot table, and then within that bar, I swear, we'll just be taking in a simple number and the name. Right? It's about to do here. So we take an icon. The icon will be configured. Has to date title. Okay. Sweet. Icon date title. Mhm. The icon would have to be a spot because Oh, actually, that's what I need. Dates. Um, turn. Maybe this will be actually this is most likely. Maybe we don't need data. Might need props or props. I got properties that will be taken. Title. That's one. Title. It's another one. And we'll not be taking icons. So let's type done and color. Great. Beautiful. Assuming it's new. Should be new. Right? It's just a stats. Okay. I think that would have covered most. You just have like a like div and then have a div and then and then and then and have a div uh okay. We have a div and then within this div we will have some further icon. An icon as I said yes of the sort uh what do uh I think I'd need likes right and then the rest of the things uh, I keep and I keep deleting everything I can idiot. Now then we'll have a div where we'll have the I guess and then honest thing is I don't like response that they're not um, as it's not a paragraph. These are blocks, meaning that they would start on each other. Right? So then here we go to title and then here mm, very data right? And then here is a form that data. But we don't need that data tag per se. We need is a property. So what are the properties that would be coming to this component because well it is it is active it active test to sure another one. Yeah, should just copy these and just make that. They turn off. Time is gone. So good. Wait, it's my night does the dawn. Time is gone, so here it is. I'm not just so my love. We're just two grown men saying goodbye. No need to forgive, no need to forgive. I know your mistakes and you know mine. And while you're sleeping, I'll try to make you proud. So, daddy, won't you just close your eyes? Don't be afraid. It's my time to chase the monsters away. Oh, well, I'll read a story to you. When the difference is this honest truth, time is gone. Yeah. Oh, before they turn off all the lights, I won't read you once over. The time is gone. Told you good night, close the door. Told you I love you once more. Wait, does this sound? Will it not tell me what's needed? Ah, you're mean, man. You're mean, nigga. You are mean. Wait, maybe I don't need to. Father, Father, Lord, will know all of the be. What? The line is missing expression. What is this gonna take? This is put the active schedule. Put on active schedules. Um, put uh, total execution today. Oh, this kind of feels like I'm repeating everything. Total. Wait, I have active this. Mm, mm, mm. Probably should have made this can kiss. Oops. I see. Yeah. Like that. watching. Wait, unless this is what release. Strategies, filters. Oh, man, I don't. Uh, okay. I don't think I'll add on. Sorry, I want to see something because every time I try to play a music, like if I want to put something else specific, I'll just see if it works with this. I want to see something because every time I try to play. Oh, my mic was on. Let me try and add this noise suppression. Okay, okay. Maybe you guys should hear better now. I mean, should not be hearing like it should just be hearing me. No voice should be better. I'm just check out the stream again. It's better. Let me also turn down the audio. This is a bit too low. Okay, let me just try this again. Okay. Um. Yeah, there's still some shuffling in the background. Let me see if I can add some more filters to this. The upward compressor. See what that's. Oh, yeah. I think this actually is better. I could hear the different action. I'm just listening, but Jesus. Let me turn this down a bit. Yeah. Like, my phone is on. I can't do it with this one. I'm trying to really block it. Or no. I'm not hearing it in the audio, but the audio sounds better. So I'm gonna continue playing on. Let me try to add another one. Maybe a compressor. Let me hear this. Not that I can hear any difference. Uh, okay. Okay, I think it's better. I think so. I think the audio is better. I don't have anyone else here to tell me that the audio is better. So I'm gonna tell myself that the audio is good. Yep, no one's doing this. Um, I'm not told on the stream, no one put thumbs up. I'm not sure why. Um, I don't know. Okay, okay. Here we go now. Off to some more coding. Uh, what's the next thing that we need to? Um, okay, I'm never gonna play any music. I want to change this. I was just testing something. I have some type of music. Maybe I hope Skyrim music is not copyright because I would play some of these. Okay, let me see something. Yeah, the recent parts very rough. I don't know where I put one. I think that should be good enough. Alright, here we go, guys. I think I was supposed to. Oh, I think it's. I'm not sure. Yeah, so I think I added it to these. So no, it's added to this at the bar here. Um, bar. Wait. Wait, what? It's not. Oh, I was like, why the hell is it not imported? Component. Bar view. Oh wait, I can't have that imported to that. Okay, so why is this not highlighted? This does have a few components. So it's numeric data, and title. Alright, so let me add those. Numeric data and title. Oh, fuck it. I'm just hoping to get someone on this train, bro. I feel like this one is like, I think I should be able to do without it for a while. Alright, so we need to add this. Need to add a title. No. Let me look back at V0. V0. Okay, active schedules. Active schedule. Active schedules. Wait, oh, need to do this. And let's play some Skyrim. Is it? No, it's not continuing. I don't know if it's that video with cat music. Not necessarily cat like that. This. These guys are. These are good. These are good. Okay. Now I can focus. There we go. Alright. So what's enumerate it, alright. Alright, so this is active shredded. Okay. I thought they did not hear me. What's happening here? What? Oh, because I don't have expert. There's something bar. I need to add the icon in the slot here. And then I need to do that like 3 times. And then need to wrap these in a div. So let's capture them. And then do a flex. Flex moves. So the icon. Calendar icon. Can I not preview some of this? Oh, that's a calculate. Oh. I want to preview. It's not allowing. Here's that it work. Okay, right. Alright, so executions today. Do that. Total executions. So I think there should be total running, something like total running test, I think, and then users clock runs today. Runs today sounds a bit more accurate, and then running instead of total running test. No, running tests. Right? No, this is all about schedules. So I think I need to change this. Need to change it. So let me just go to the schedules here. Notifications. Wait. No. Schedule overview. Let's see what. Need to go to this endpoint. Get running test count. But what I wanted to do was get a total amount of test suits as running. But running the test count actually makes sense. But then, because this is a schedule page, we want to get, you know what? I'm just gonna put that down. I'm just gonna put that like, I'm not going back, bro. I think, let me think about it. Let me just really sit down and think about it. Yeah, it would make a lot more sense to say, oh, we have no, it's actually I think running tests, I'm gonna keep that for now. I don't know. I'm polishing a bit. This is clock. So the cloak icon, there is, and then play icon, play button. There we go. So I just need to get clear. Okay, I think, I think this is pretty much it. So it's all about design. I'm gonna look at the page here to see if we are seeing. You're not seeing anything. We're not seeing. Oh wait, I'm not sure the actual. Wait, am I not seeing it? Wait, I'm gonna look again. Alright, this is the status bar. We have the status bar inverted here. Is there an error? I'm gonna check. Nope, there's no errors other than these. These are from the navigation bar. Should be working perfectly. Alright, so we have the schedule overview of these lists. That's inverted to that. And then on this page, like this. So why am I not seeing these? Oh, I just realized it might be a key that I need to the text right, maybe. So everything is right. Yeah. What? Man, I totally forgot to do that. Let me just copy all of these. All of these cat nowadays. All of these cats know their things up. Good music. I can officially say cats are the best musicians. Just believe. Okay, I'm shut up. Okay, I need to do this as well. I think it's better to do it in the overview, but then it's kind of tricky to do it there. Alright, I'll hard code it in the API, I guess. Analytics. Okay. Active schedule. Take this one. And this count. And then total active projects. So when I go back here, yeah. Yeah, we have back to 1 active schedules, 24 running tests. This is accurate as well. So I'm gonna leave this here. I honestly just want to move on to getting the other things sorted out. Alright, so let me go back to that Jira. Create schedule screen, create necessary schedule inputs. So I can move this step down. Create schedule screen. This is not finished, so I can't update this. Is it? Alright. Smells one, I guess. Shift out like that. I need to do one more. Actually, need to do. Wait, let me just do this back because I don't want the to be pushing a bunch of different things. I need to deploy to dev, but damn, it's hard because I need the lambda. I need this lambda to be deployed. It's not deployed. I also need to push all of these things into the repo. So this is not it. I'm gonna do that after I'm finished. Because I did like a lot of changes in those things, so don't want to lose them, you know, with all of that project progress. Losing all of that progress would be horrible, man. So what's next? I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, it's to get all the schedule projects. Wait, you're telling me that all along I had a status here. I'm gonna just create a Jira ticket. Project active and point to save projects. Save. I'm gonna do that. Return to run to get running projects. This Add it to this. Add it to refresh. Hmm. I'm not seeing it. Let's go to the backlog. It's going to earlier now, October 10th. Alright, let's do this. I'm just using this for task management, to be honest. And it's very good to track bugs. So while I'm building, if I find a bug, I just add it to JS. I mean, it's free now. I don't. Oh, hey. Wait. Why is it saying 15? Why is it saying 15 days? What the? Why is it saying 15? I thought it was free. How long? What? Why is it saying 15 days? What happens after 15 days? Okay. This is what happens when you don't read. So you're telling me I have to click it because... Oh, it's not a sign. No, it's a sign. I've heard people talking about Trello. Maybe I'll use Trello. Wait, they're owned by the same company. Well, it's actually good. Good for them. You don't need to know what problem here. Okay. Okay. I don't think they would really take the board away from, right? I mean, Trello kind of had to have the same board, but it's more important to do anything else. They can add cards, but it's not for project management. Really. I don't know. Support. I'm not gonna worry about it. Let's see what happens when that happens. Why is this? Sounds like it's so low. Sounds low and turn it down. Don't worry, guys. I'm back now. Let me see now. Let's go back to the project. Oh, I think I was supposed to show us a list. I want to do a list. I think a table view of all the schedules is better than having these cards things. You know, I just feel doing it like this is kind of overkill. I mean, it's neat, but in the event that you want to show, you know, 100 or 50,000, it's gonna be compact. I mean, you could paginate them, but yeah, I think I'll actually go with this. Yeah, I shall go with this. Hmm, it's just no, it's fine. Yeah, Mike, Mike is giving me too much, brother. Okay, so I have an endpoint. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, yes, yes, yes. You guys know it. Testing out this mic. It's very low though. Why is it so low? Let's see if I can up the audio. Look at something. You should be hearing me better now. Okay. I think it's louder now. Let's get full closer to now. Alright. So what was I saying? She's what the other thing doing. I know. I don't know if this sounds but I'm gonna check this. It feels weird. First time, using a mic and had this laying around for a while. I don't know the best of all. If I can make this sound good. Is it better now? Can't tell. I have some. Apparently not. Is it better now? How about no? 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 Don't want that. No? Nothing. Wait. Is it playing? I turn off fire. Is it working? Oh. Oh, we're here still. Um, so, right now, I'm going to be working on Okay. I don't really see any issue here. I mean, it's not the best mic in the world, but it's better than nothing. I thought it would sound better though. I don't know if all this is good to you guys. And also, I need to turn this down. It's very freaking loud, dude. I just realized it's so loud on stream. Just turn this. See if that changed in it. Think that should be better. Oh, my mic is too low, bro. Yeah. Okay. Um, let's try something. Let me try something. All right. I'm gonna turn off the filters that are here and see if this thing is actually working. All right. Turn off all of this. Oh, it's awful. It's better now. Yeah, it's better now. Yeah, the compression on. This mic is useless. This is useless, bro. How this thing work? This is better now. What the hell? How pro on? I don't even know what that's supposed to be. It's just blinking. Oh my god. This is waste of money. I really think it is. Alright, let's go back to coding. Look at it something. Filter. Alright, I think that's enough. So we're back to there's something wrong. Oh, okay, okay. Let's go back to coding. Um, so the last thing that was working on. What I need to do now is yeah, I remember now. What I was supposed to do is go to this. There's an endpoint that's put in by all the projects. So I need to go to that endpoint and then let's see the project here and then one thing's for sure, not hearing the fun. That feels like it's shocking. The hell? This is that's weird, man. Oh man. Okay. Um, So there's a control. Oh yeah. Okay, all projects. So within this, I don't. Wait, I'm gonna look back at one zero 30 that Dev suggested. Um, hmm. Schedule manager automated test schedules on cron drops. Hopefully, with this better mic, I'll have people here. More people, you know. Yeah, that's not my hopes. I started to actually get people on the starring stream. That's why I decided to pull out big guns. But maybe even with the big guns, we're still not getting anybody. At least that's what I'm seeing so far. Why does it keep like going up and then going down, going up and going down? I think it's okay now. Like I have to press my mouth on the mic for people to hear what I'm saying, or is it that I'm talking too low? Right, so I need to know whether or not project is active. Well, yeah, it would be active as long as the date is not gone. I guess I just need to change on this endpoint. So when I get the data, I'd have to loop through it. There's something about having the scheduler service. No, symmetric services. Yeah, I think there's one point where I needed to get all the. No, it's not that either. Not that either. With our projects, calculate percent change. I don't remember what it is. Or is it in the schedules? Control F, cron parser. Um, let's see. Get up them, yeah. I'll go get up them. Come in schedules. So this would allow me to mark um test as active or inactive, and I'm looping through the projects. So I can use this cron parser. So the way it works is that it would, I'm not sure. So you see here where it's saying active, that means that the schedule is active. Oh, they want to give the person the upper ability to pause the schedule. That's not a feature. That's not a feature. I did not think of that. Let me add that to, actually add that to J. It's gonna go in the backlog though. I'll add it to this. Um, it's more of a task or a feature. Feature. Um, add a way to pause both tests cases and uh, and the test. No, so one to other way pass test cases and projects. Project no, it's not use. Oh, project is okay. Project slash test see schedules. Okay, let's go back to this. I'm gonna use the current parser here. I'm gonna use it to get this. So we have a get schedule. Um, hmm. I was not using this filter here. Primary audio would be good, but no. Um, see if I can add something else. Like a compressor, maybe. Does that sound better? Um, uh, I can't really tell, to be honest. Green? What's a green though? Green? 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 Oh, makes it louder. Me, my voice is low, so I guess you guys can hear me better now. But it's gonna be a bit louder. Let me just go back to green. Um, I think that should be good. Okay, so now we have even louder, louder and a bit better audio. All right. Like so, let's go back to project control, and before we pass off the data, I'm going to do. Wait. There are two things that I need to do. I need to tell whether or not a schedule. Maybe where should I put it in a day-to-day then? Hmm. I mean, it's not a table that will be saved. Alright, so for each projects, that's maybe I have to do to array here. Yeah, then we can for each project, and, and then project. Okay. Going to do if project. I don't remember the exact column, so I have to go back to the service. You know, I probably should make this be a service. So what I would want is to do is where would I add it? Where would I add it? Test schedule service, March, metric services, notification service. Um, what can I do here? Wait. I want to look at something really quick. Email. What the hell is that? I don't even know. Where. Pop app one. Um, I'm not confused. Okay. How about now? Wait, it's not gonna act like. Oh, is this better? I don't think so. This better? Sounds a bit better. Sounds a bit. Sounds a bit better, isn't it? Okay, so the next thing is as me with a deeper voice, and I think it's better for people to hear it. I don't see it me that way. Voice is a bit weak. Uh, it, I don't know where to put this. If I can put it in the schedule, or should I put it here? Just to be a bit closer. Let's think over it. Listen. All right. It is. No audio. Oh, all right. The audio is bought now. Hmm. Everything has to be so low. Okay. I mean, I'm not talking that low. I don't like projecting, and still there's no one. I thought if my audio was better, but please get one new person on the stream. But still, they don't need to reward me, man. Um, I'm not focused. So I need to create them. I need to create something. Wait, why is this game? Why is this using repository? This using repository. I don't get why that. Why the hell is it? Doesn't make any sense. Before branch, you use an ID. Why is it using a repository? Doesn't make any sense. What? Doesn't make any sense then. I thought they were using projects. I don't know why. And then I'm calling it with project. Is it okay that I wanted something from repository? Oh. I wanted the maybe I wanted the repo name or the branch or well, I mean I don't want to break the current dashboard. Uh, I'm gonna just add a prefix to this. This would be version one. So I'm gonna create a get projects version two. This is public function get project get all user projects v2 and then yeah. So I think I had repository project repository. Okay, just the public function get and the project wait projects wait is that getting the all the projects those are the ones and selecting the screen the okay, let's not do this part. Let's do this or let's leave it empty. It says get project schedule. That's the reason why I thought it was doing something different. But from what I can see here, there's no difference. It's not like get to work. Wait, it's being used somewhere else. So I need to change it at those locations as well. Okay, so first it's being used. So get all project schedule doesn't make any sense because that's not what it's doing really. Get all again. So wait and wait. Okay, I think set it all in all the spots. So the next, the next, the next spot is on. Okay, I don't know how to do. Uh, okay. So the next, on the next, so next thing that I need. Um, yeah, saying that. Okay, 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 okay. Um, so next, next thing, um, sorry guys, I'm just kind of distracted with apologizing to myself still, because I'm the one that's distracted. So I should be apologizing to myself. Guess it's been for 2 hours now. I'm trying to figure out if I should put this in a different um folder, not folder, file, but I don't know what to put it in. Should I create a project service? Yeah, I have metric service. It's kind of a metric because you're just adding something to it. Let's do it public. Let's do it. Public function. One second. I think it's better for because yeah, find it. Public function. Public function. Let's see. Am I speaking that? Oh, where is it? What am I doing now? Okay, I have to do the. Oh, come on. I have to really do that. I'll write this out. This is the form. Sure. Sure. Project. Yeah. Okay. I just wanted to restructure the payload and project with projects. No, wait. I think what I need to do is just cron. I have to make this a static as well. So cron. Oh, I'm in a different folder. Service cron parser. Then I'll pass the project. And then I don't really want to mess with the status. I think I think projects have statuses. Yeah, I think it's an E in Amazon. But look here. Hmm. I don't remember how I see whether or not something's in E, but I think it's an E. Um, I just need to do it, and then if it's not now, uh, reset. Uh, number one, but number one, but number one, but number one, but what the hell is wrong with this thing? We know it's better. Oh, it's actually, I was actually doing something I didn't realize. Hold on. That one itself. I need one like that. Yeah. So I wanna do if it's set, then but if it's not set rather, then it's expired. But we want to add a column to project. I don't know. Equal. So something like expired. So the status on maybe schedule status expired. I wouldn't be able to tell whether or not it's a post. Wouldn't be able to do that as a so I have to use this. So I have to use it. What I could do not here. So it's better with it. Sounds updated. Oof. I don't know if it's so fun. It's a fun. That was one of the rest. So if it's not set, then we want to set it as active. Okay, so we just want to do this. I think this is an honest thing that I'll be doing here. Active. Then do that. Let's do it. chip is there. Uh, Like they have a project description. I think that was an option there. The random if it was I did. Yeah, it's not there. There's no way to add descriptions. There's no way to add project descriptions. So I think this thing here is actually messing up the order. Turn off the compass. Converse up. How's it green? Where's the green? And then it's the compass. Where's the green? Let's see. Is it better now? I mean, it's low. I don't know what it is. Is it better now? I mean, it's just a lot. Lot of crap. That was too loud. That was way too freaking loud. Maybe that's better. I just turned off the compressor and leave the upward compressor on. Switch it back to Pro. That sounds a little better. Little bit better. I'm Britain. I'm from Britain. Uh, Still no one's here. YouTube, my stream is alive, but you can't send over someone. It's like crazy that you guys can't do that for me. Where did I put my wallet? The colors are gonna go silent. Don't turn this straight into coding mode. So I'm gonna switch to up on music. Alright, how's it going? Continue playing. And I'm gonna be a bit silent. What is needed? What else is needed? What else is needed? I wonder what else is needed. Okay, I think I know what else is needed. We can figure out what else is needed. I think it is me. I think it is me that's needed, but oh, I should have set it up. It's actually set up. Let's move it over a bit. Because it can go down. Okay. a bit more comfortable at it. Yeah, still not think we're back. Curious a bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna use the mic later. I keep hearing myself. It kind of throw me now. I want to hear the music, but I keep hearing myself and it's true now. Because this thing is repeating everything I said. It's kind of trying now. Should I configure so that I don't hear myself? Yeah, fortunately. What is this? I turn this off first to hear myself. I don't want to hear myself, bro. Annoying. Unfortunate. I wish I didn't. I'm gonna take off this. I think it's better that way. 'Cause I don't want to hear myself at all. I must take off the earphone. I can have the music playing in the background. I really want to listen to it, but whatever. So I really want to hear myself, but I can't hear myself. This is what we're gonna do now. I was trying to figure out if there's anything else that I need to add to this thing. So if we go to V0, realize that we need to show the cron. That's not a problem for us. Except the only issue is that we need to remove everything after this, before this, and that. The next is not an issue either. As long as it is active, we can get the human period of a time. So I think all we need to do is um, we also so if it is wait what the oh, that's the project. I'll just check to ensure that I was using the right thing and I'm going to use the right thing as well. Maybe I should go on Twitch. Man, there are more people on Twitch. But it's just my screen and me, bro. So I don't know. People are actually on Twitch listening to this. And people code on Twitch, and if you do code on Twitch, probably need to like ensure that people can hear it. Well, well, people normally have a thing that they're showing the screen, the faces, I should say, and I am not going to do that. I'm tired now. I'm gonna push past limit one for the next 30 minutes. I'm just gonna finish up this function and then let's call it. I'm just gonna call it a day. I just need to finish this up. I was going to look at the human readable time to see what I was using. There's a place where I'm using this human. So I just want to do it. Okay. This is what I need. Let I do this. I'm probably gonna change my mind and see. Where's this supposed to be coming from? Let me check this because I don't know. Okay, support. Oh, you from support, innit? Right, yeah. Of course I'm from support. Where the hell else? Where else could I be from? Right? Yeah, I'm a support agent. Yeah, ignore me. You can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went pop, pop. She went pop. She said, she said, wait, I don't remember. I don't remember the song. Why don't I remember this? Was that wow? You can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. She went pop. I remember. Let me find the song. Then, then I'll remember. You can. Wow, you can really dance. Dance. Wow. You can really dance. He went. She went. She said, okay, that's an all night. What a coincidence. Oh, I don't need to make it static because this is a treat. uh, it's always been kind of weird, still not funny. How do people actually get? Where actually get people to watch your streams? Give me a second. Well, that was for so long. Good. See what I had to get. These are all projects. I kind of sounds good. Did I have a? I think I have it. So I just need to hit. Oh, I have it. Okay. I'm just gonna use it since it's already there. Hold on. So let's start with my try pinch first. Okay, so first if it doesn't go to log it, it's gonna be logged as it. So that would what's on there? Easy to search with this one. The message is gonna be that message. Oh, down in here. And what I normally like to do is return to the client. So kind of message. So I have a class created just for this. You can return 500 error. You can go here and edit the message and also the status code that is on. But right now, I'm just gonna return 500 server. And I think it does it. I don't know. I can't select it right now. So next thing, we want to get projects. We call this project repository, and then it's get all projects. Then either industry ID or sys chemicals, not rating. writing Python code. I mean, so that's the code. Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. She went. Okay, right. So, I have the metric trait on this. Okay, these are the metric service trait, and then you need to get this thing here. This get. I don't remember what the method metric. Oh, just copy that. Was the projects to this projects. So what I want to do is return this key, then add the data. Maybe I could just do this projects. Okay, now it's the checkout create endpoint. Since this is version 2 of this endpoint, I'm going to yeah, I'm going to do this. Checkout on, then do v2. So the next, I just need to use the card method name. I think it's get all user projects or project. I have project instead of. Alright, I don't know my button. Let me just look for it. So I did version 2 for this. So I just need to go to the front end and add that as well. API projects, then um, gonna call it get all get projects to const. Oh yeah, I need to make it an await. So let's see. Well, I guess a function. I think of it. So I use C and then change the instance dot get the getter constraint has to be a get. I don't remember if it was in a prefix. So I'm not sure. Yeah. So it's gonna return projects dot data dot data. Don't ask me why that is, but I have to do it that way because because I added data using Axie, so Axie uses data and I use the data. So when I'm returning the array, so that's the reason why I have to do that. Um, the component I want to add this to the as a created. I don't think I created that component. I think I was using. Yeah, I don't know what to. I don't know what to do. Actually. Oh yes, I was saying I was going to make it a table instead of. I was saying I was going to make it just a table instead of some kind of messed up thing. I'm trying to decide between what I should name my table. Oh, I know what to do. Let's create a folder and call it tables because I know I'm going to create more tables. So we're going to call it tables. Oh, I have a folder called tables already. Oh, 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 there's a folder called tables already. I don't know where this is. I don't remember a table. Oh, that's what I thought. So I have one. I'm not using it anymore. Okay, okay, that makes things a bit easier to deal with because I don't have to create a version 2 for that table. Let me see what it looks like. Let's go here. Just do Frederick. Get that one. What are properties on this table? Consider crops. Look at the features of projects. Okay. I'm just gonna have to call it here. Unless I have to create a data. So create a data element. Well, not not an name file, but data. Alright, so return. It should be in a ring, but with a promise, make it any promise, and then wait to make it a promise here now, so that I can set it here. So kind of projects, set it to null, then can create the methods. Methods. Let's get projects. What's the name of the method? It's a little bit bad. This, well, after the API dot get oh, get all projects feature, yeah. Select read yes this dot projects equal to dot sorry, this is an instant function as well. So I want to call this method whenever this thing is mounted. This dot get projects. Projects. I think this is gonna give me some kind of error. So that's a more much of it. At least I got a word done. That's perhaps I guess. Come on, man. Why are you taking so long to load? I don't think I changed it. Okay, that's better. Where is the errors of your game? Let's check. Okay, so we're getting a 500 right from this. If we're getting a 500. Yeah, let's look at the logs. What's in the logs? I read the string conversion. أريد string conversion. Read it instead of it. Oh, it's been logged. Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Alright, what's the ring? Conversion. Structured project payload. I don't know where this is coming from. Wait. Returns an returns an array. Okay, this course action. And I'm gonna just try to reach these steps. Oh, maybe it's at this point. Maybe. Just maybe. Just. I'll be walking. I'll be walking through this thing. It's good to turn on the debugger. Just one of these things. Turn on the debugger and then walk through. Let's see. And do this. I'm still getting an error. Let's remove this. Honest. Look. Here. Batteries. And I could cancel out the line as well, but better. So it's right this stream back in the scheduled service 165. This debugger is not working as well. It's in this. Wait, it said this schedule, right? Search for schedule. How's it saying that schedule? Oh, oh, I think it's here. Are you saying something about array to string conversion? Oh, I see, I see, I see. But my bad. I thought, uh, I see where I went wrong. Project. Project. So I want to do it if that is properly. So now when I do this, should be returning all the projects. Now I need to fix up this table so that it shows the name, not the repo name, the well, URL, status, actions. I guess I'm sure. That's over. It's a task for you to do. So, I mean, it's 3 hours. Can do though. Won't take any time. Is I could ask. Okay. Oh, good friendship. Oh, oh, bossy. Yeah. Hmm. No, this is actually better. It's a lot better as well. Yeah. I'll be using something like this. As you can see, like, if we check that one point, right? I maybe will consider this screen as done because I will not be designing it at all. Right, so as you can see, all of the projects are coming back here. Although the data that I can back to the limited as well. Hmm. Well, that's something that I need to look into, but Um, Leap, right? So plus no one's watching. Someone was watching, I would have been pushing to continue, but no one's watching. I'd be like, I don't think AI can help with that. How do I put this pen into words? When I pull it, it burns. So cool to the white people. I could pull it from a gun, it burns. Okay, I don't see any. Start. Just gonna move on to so I can officially finish creating the schedule screen. What I'm aiming to do is go through all the screens, have all the um you know all the different data that would be needed and which loaded from API side. And then once I do that, so I have two more screens to do that with. Once I do that, then I'll go back and start designing. So I don't know how long it will take me because this is test. This is test. This is test suites. Test suites are basically the projects. The project is easy to write code for, but the test is what's a bit complicated when it comes to writing code for them. It's possible, still possible to get these. But once I get all of these, I just have two more screens right now. Then I can start designing and removing this navbar. And once I get a little bit of designing done as it relates to getting all of these screens here finished and fully functional, then I can start looking into deploying the engine into the dev environment. And then once I have that up, then I can create a database for the dev environment and then test in the dev environment. And once that's done, then I, once the test is working in the dev environment, then I can start to look into different uh, payment gateways. And yeah, because I can't use Stripe. I don't think Stripe is supported in my country. Stripe, Jamaica. No, Stripe, Jamaica payment. Yeah. Ready to get moving, create an account, and now start accepting account after banking details required. I thought it was not. The last time I checked, it's not available in Jamaica. To set up a Stripe account in Jamaica, you need to follow a valid email, your business registration documents, including a company's name, contribution tax, a bank account in Jamaica that receives funds in USD. Stripe doesn't support, oh, it doesn't support Jamaica currency transactions. Hmm. I know I had an account on this, that's true. Um, okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess.